Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, where we dive into the latest news and trends from the world of electric vehicles. Today, we're taking a look at the most expensive EVs to maintain, and boy, are they pricey. First up, we have the Lucid Air Sapphire, with an astonishing annual maintenance bill of $1,703. That's right, this car is not only one of the quickest production cars on the road, but also one of the most expensive to keep running. With its top trim starting at a whopping $250,500, it's no wonder owners can expect to pay out around $11,000 just for maintenance and repairs over 5 years. But wait, there's more. The Lucid Air isn't the only car on this list that's packing a punch. The Porsche Taycan is right behind it, with an annual cost of $1,537 per year. And if you're looking for something a bit more extreme, the Audi e-Tron GT is up next, with a staggering $1,537 per year as well. Now, what sets these cars apart from their competitors? Well, for starters, they all have some serious horsepower under the hood. The Lucid Air Sapphire boasts an impressive 1,124 horsepower, while the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-Tron GT aren't far behind with their own powerful engines. But it's not just about raw power. These cars also come with some seriously advanced features that are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in electric vehicles. From all-wheel drive to advanced driver assistance systems, these cars are the epitome of luxury and performance. So, if you're looking for a car that can keep up with your active lifestyle and provide a level of luxury and sophistication that's hard to find anywhere else, one of these 3 cars might be worth considering. But be prepared to spend, because maintenance and repairs on these vehicles are not cheap. That's it for today's top 5 most expensive EVs to maintain. Thanks for joining us here at Electro Drive News. We'll see you next time when we dive into the latest news and trends from the world of electric vehicles.